Hello everyone. In this today's videos we are going to solve Pascal triangle problem. Okay. So this problem says that you have given an integer n and we have to return the first n rows of Pascal triangle. We got it. But the main questions come, what is Pascal triangle? Okay. So we will understand this Pascal triangle first and then we will solve it. So the Pascal triangle is basically a triangle. If I make it here, yeah. So in the Pascal triangle we have Pascal triangle will look something like this. Yeah. Mm. So given an integer, return the first n row. So in the Pascal triangle, you can assume this is first row, this is second row, this is third row, and this is fourth row. And it will goes on, okay, till nth row, okay. And so there are two conditions basically here. First condition is that the first and last element of triangle is 1. Okay, so this means in the first row there is only one element, and second thing, let's write down here, and number of element in each row is equals to number of the the num the the number of element in each row is equals to row number. Okay, yeah. So in the second row we have only two elements, first and last. So the first element will be 1, second element will be 1, last element will be 1. In the third row we have three elements, so first and last element will be 1 1. Fourth row we have four elements, first and last element will be 1. Okay, and the remaining element will be sum of above two element. Okay, so this element will be sum of these two elements, so this will be 2. This element will be sum of these two elements. Okay, so this will be 3. This will also going to be 3. Okay, so this is how we build the Pascal triangle. Even if we go to next level, first last row will be 1 and this will be 4, sum of 6, this will again 4. Okay, so this will be fifth row. Yeah, so you understand that basically how we will create the nth row. If we write about third condition, so which is basically okay, so we will go ahead and we will understand how we will solve this problem. So what this problem says, you have given an integer n and we have to return the first n rows of Pascal triangle. And how we will return it, let's talk about it. So in the problem there is one sample example is given. So this says that if n equal 5, we have to the output, if this is the input, then output should look like this. So it will be a nested array, and within nested array we have bunch n number of array, okay, a list. So here we will have 1 comma 1. So this will be the a row of Pascal triangle. So if we look, okay, 1 1, here it will be 2, and third element will be 1, 3 comma 0, 1 comma 4 comma 6 comma 4 comma 1. So output will be a nested array. Okay, so if we talk about the index of these of this Pascal triangle, so yeah, so this index will be 0 comma 0, this index will be 0 comma 1, sorry, 1 comma 0, this will be 1 comma 1, this will be 2 comma 0, 2 comma 1, and 2 comma 2. So you can see this 2 comma 1 is actually sum of 1 comma 0 plus 1 comma 1, right? And even if you go further, this will be 3 comma 0, this will be 3 comma 1. So 3 comma 1 is sum of 2 comma 0 plus 2 comma 1, right? So we can write in general that if it's not the first element, if it's not the last element, then I comma j will be equals to I minus 1 comma j minus 1 plus this will be I uh, I minus 1 and j. Okay, if it's not first and last, then we will use this general format. Okay, so this will be the concept of this Pascal triangle. So what is Pascal triangle? So this is the Pascal triangle, and these are the different conditions, the overview we have. This is most important part, sorry, yeah, this is most important part of this thing. Now let's look at the code of this problem. Okay, so what we will do, we will create a array or list, and within list, so this will be the list, and within this list we will have n number of list, so it will be a nested array. So we will run a loop for I in the range of nums here is n, and within this we will create a temp list. So temp list will be these list actually. Okay, and what we will put the condition, and how we will assign within each of these list. If this is the first and last element, if the index is first or last, then we will append 1, else we will append the value from the answer list. So till when we will calculate this list, till that time this will be generated. Okay, so this is how we will append the value from the previous list, and at the after this loop we will append over this temporary list to over answer. Okay, and when we will have all the temporary list append to this answer, we will return the answer. Okay, so let's revise this problem once again. So this problem says that you have given an integer n and you have to return the first n rows of Pascal triangle. Before that, we have to understand what is Pascal triangle. I have explained you this, how the Pascal triangle is built. So there are three conditions you can say. The first and last element of triangle is 1. The number of element in each row will be equals to the nth row. Okay, so in the third row, third element will be present, in fifth row, fifth element will be present, and if the element is not first and last, the rest of the element will be calculated on the basis of this indexation. Okay, and then we will look at how this problem is designed. So in this problem, the output they were looking for as a nested array. So for that we have wrote a code. We have created an outer array, and within this answer we have put our temporary list. Okay, I hope I able to explain it. We will meet next.